Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Kobelco SK295. This is an Acera Mark 8 machine. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second. We'll run it in the third. This particular machine serial number is L like Linda, B like boy, 05-U like umbrella, 080. I'm gonna leave that last digit blank. Price on a new machine like this these days is probably about $300,000. The service meter on this machine reads 5235 or something like that. We kind of use it around the yard as a yard crane, so the hours may accumulate a little bit. As far as manufacturers go, Kobelco is pretty ubiquitous out there. They're a popular machine that a lot of contractors prefer. This machine weighs 66,800 pounds. The widest point on these tracks right here at 11 foot 2 inches. The highest point is the top of that cab at 10 foot 6 inches, and the transportation length from the end of that counterweight all the way to the front of that stick when it's in transport profile is 33 foot 6 inches. Comparable machines are like a Komatsu PC 290, maybe a John Deere 290, or maybe a Cat 325. As far as the history of this unit goes, this machine, like almost all the machines we purchase, is an original owner Dallas, Texas machine. I say that because we don't work in a corrosive environment like near an ocean, or we don't mine salt or anything like that. I mean, you'll find rust on this machine, but it's surface rust. It's where the paint's been flecked off and rainwater's gotten to it. It in no way, shape, or form is pervasive. We're far enough south and 300 miles from the ocean, so the only salt we see is the salt on our kitchen tables. Just about every machine we purchase comes from one of about 30 different contractors here in the Metroplex and municipalities. This particular excavator had an excellent maintenance program that rivals some of the best I've seen. We, as well as our customers, have been happy with all the machines that we purchased from these guys, and it should be said that before I purchase any machines, my mechanics thoroughly inspect it, and then I inspect it before I write a check for it if the money's right. As far as options go, you got a guard here, a windshield guard. It's an enclosed cab. All the glass is in it. That AC blows ice cold. Tank, does this one have a pattern control change valve?
No.
We don't think it has a pattern control change valve. Does it have a keyed battery disconnect?
No.
Tank says it doesn't have a battery disconnect. So anyway, well, it's got a 12, we think it's a 12 volt outlet in the cab, but we're not swearing by that, so you might want to check that out. There's two outlets in the cab. They may be 24 volt. We're not sure. Kill it. As far as that engine goes, that's actually a Fiat F4 HE 968 4B. It's a 204 gross horsepower, 197 net horsepower engine. You can see it's turbocharged. This machine has got a 122 gallon fuel tank, which will run you 12 to 16 hours depending on your application. Okay, so all the fluid levels on this tractor are where they should be. This machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks on it. Everything works. Top speed is about 3.6 miles an hour. The undercarriage tank, if you can show them, it's probably about 75%. There's no leaks. Again, there's no leaks on it. The final drives have got plenty of power, enabling them to counter rotate with no problem. As far as things wrong with this machine, we do not have a, we've got a bucket that will fit this machine, but we don't have the linkage for it or the cylinder. So we're selling this machine at a severely discounted rate because I don't really have the time to find that stuff. If somebody can probably source that and get a pretty good excavator for a discounted price. You can put up to a 2.5 yard bucket on this machine. This machine has got a dig depth of 24 feet. It's got a maximum reach at ground level from the end of those tracks there of 35 feet. The maximum dig height is 33.5 feet. The dig force is 45,000 pounds. Arm crowd force is 40,000 pounds. And this machine will lift like 30,000 pounds up close, you know, from the front. There are no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. They've got this, this machine actually had a shear on it, a mechanical shear. I mean, not a mechanical shear, a hydraulic shear. That's why these things are put on it. It had a hydraulically activated mechanical shear, and they used the plumbing from the stick or for the bucket to run that shear. That's why it doesn't have that's actually a good thing because this machine was very lightly used. That's like no wear and tear on the machine. As far as the shoe width goes, these pads are 31.5 inches wide. You got 16 foot of track on the ground. The PSI rating's probably about 7 pounds. Tank, you got anything else?
I don't think the lights have current to them.
Oh, well, the lights don't work. So we don't know if it's a fuse. Did you look at the fuse?
No.
So we'll probably look at that, but for right now the lights don't work. What else, Tank?
That's it, let's run it.
Okay, so this is the inside of the cab. That hour meter says 52:38. It's actually got a few more hours on it than I thought. That's the original seat on it right there. You got a radio right there. Your air conditioning controls. Here's your monitor. All the gauges on it work.